Okay, let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yes, happy birthday sa iyo kapatid. Hangad ko ang maligayang kaarawan at patuloy na karoon ng kalakasan. At siyempre, ano na pala tayo, no? Meron na tayong 20% discount pag-uwi mo dito sa Pilipinas at ako ay gano'n na rin. Yan. Yan. Enjoy your day, kapatid. At naway patuloy kang pagpalain ng ating may. Namimiss ko na kayo. Pero next month, baka nandiyan lang. Nandiyan ako. Kita-kita tayo. Again, happy birthday sa iyo, kapatid na. Enjoy!
Hello po, Lola. Happy birthday po. Mahal na mahal po kita. Sana po magkaroon ka po ng maganda at masayang kaarawan. Excited na po akong makita ka ng personal. Again, happy 60th birthday po, Lola. I love you.
To my mother-in-law, Maani, happy 60th birthday. I hope you enjoying your birthday in Dubai, Ma. Sana po, mamit ka na po namin soon. At mag-iingat ka po lagi. More birthdays to celebrate po, Ma. Thank you po sa lahat ng suporta, lalong-lalo na po sa suporta nyo sa inyong apo na si Malaya namin. Thank you po. At thank you po dahil binigyan nyo po ako ng isang taong napaka bait, napaka-gwapo. Mabait ba si Mark Henry? Joke lang. Thank you, Ma, dahil binigyan niyo po ako ng isang anak na siya ang aking napangasawa. Salamat po dahil siya yung nagbigay ningning at nagbigay kulay ng aking buhay. Salamat po at again and happy birthday. Thank you po. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ma. It's your day today. Yes. Wala po akong ibang maihiling mula sa itaas, kundi ang bigyan ka pa ng mahaba at malakas na pangangatawan. Mahabang buhay at malakas na pangangatawan. Para po magkasama tayo ulit, kasama ng iyong mahal na apo. Isang pagbati mula sa aking pamilya. Happy 60th birthday, Ma. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong, sa lahat ng payo, kahit ako'y minsan nang naging pasaway, nandyan pa rin kayo. Maraming salamat, Ma. At happy birthday. Lagi niyong tatandaan na mahal namin kayo. Mag-iingat po sana kayo lagi. At huwag pababayaan ng inyong sarili. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Umuna ti amin, ti panagyaman ko iti apo, tanadanon mo daytoy may ka-60th birthday, nga napnuan parabor ken benbendisyon nating. Ta
Dagiti adu nga naglablabasam ket babaen ti na isang sangayan nga pig sa tinakem mo ken tibker ket nalagpasam amin dagitoy. You are really, really Wonder Woman in our family, ating. And we are so much blessed and thankful na ikaw ang aming naging ate. Lagi mong tatanda nating mahal na mahal ka namin more than you know. At ni minsan, hindi ka nawala sa aming mga panalangin. Kaya, ang aking wish and prayer for you today, Ting, ay ang patuloy na kalakasan mo at ang patuloy na pagkakaloob ng Panginoon ng lahat ng desire ng iyong puso at ganun din na ang patuloy na maging matatag sa anumang dadaanan pa at ang higit sa lahat ay muli nawa ang Panginoon ay pagkalooban pa tayo ng pagkakataon na muling magkakasama-sama because we miss you so much, ating. Kaya, happy, blessed 60th birthday at ating naming Wonder Woman. The Lord will bless you more, and more, and more. Happy birthday again, ating. Happy blessed 60th birthday, ating. Love you.
60th birthday, Tita. God bless you
po.
Happy birthday, Lola. I love you.
Happy birthday, sapay kumatag. Adupay ti sumangbay nga birthday. Sumang pagkanto kumata na kita tapay nga kabsat. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita. More birthdays to come. And good health always. Hoping to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Tita. More birthdays to come. Siya pala kung matagkikita tayong tupay. Kaimbag ka.
Happy 60th birthday to my beautiful tita. And wish you all the best. Ganad kay ta ka na yung tita. Matiyo bebenta bagbagiyo. Ano napigsa ka na yun. Diyan lang tita. Enjoy your day. Love you. Miss you.
Hello, ating. Happy 60th birthday. I wish you have a good health and more birthday to come. I love you, ating.
Ating, happy 68th birthday. I love you and I miss you. Wala akong ibang masabi kundi mahal na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Keep safe and I love you always. See you soon.
Happy birthday sa aking pinakamamahal na lola. Happy 60th birthday po. Salamat po sa lahat ng pagmamahal at pag-aalaga ninyo sa amin. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Naway, maging masaya at espesyal ang araw ninyo. Ingat po palagi at sana'y humaba pa ang inyong buhay.
Hi, Ma. Happy 60th birthday. Thank you for always checking on us. Kahit na ikaw yung andyan sa ibang bansa, ikaw yung unang nag-reach out sa amin ni Faye para kamustahin. And pasensya na po kung minsan hindi po namin masagot yung mga tawag and sometimes late po kami mag-reply. Kasi busy po kami sa work, ganun. And thank you for your advices and thank you for being strong. I know that there are countless hardships that you face there alone. And just so you know, Faye and I are always here to talk to and to listen. To listen and to talk. I always pray that you are always happy, healthy, and safe. And may all your prayers be answered. Also, thank you for being my mother-in-law. Again, happy birthday, Ma. I love you.
Mother, happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday, Ma. And alam kong nag-enjoy ka ngayon kasama yung mga kaibigan mo dyan, sila ate, sila Tita Mel. And I wish you all the best. And sumulat ako ng message para sa'yo. Okay, so please allow me to read my message for my dearest mother. Okay? Dear Mama Annie, happy birthday. Another year has been added to your life to be a blessing to your friends, acquaintances, family, and most of all to me. I just want to take this opportunity to let you know how much of a blessing you've been in my life. I could barely remember memory of us together when I was still with you in Dubai. Funny enough, I only had two core memories of you and me. The first one was when we went to a resort or a park in Dubai. From what I can remember, we were riding a floaty and enjoying the flow of the water in the pool. It was a precious little moment that I shared with you, and I am glad to still remember it today. The second memory was very random, and I bet even you cannot remember it. It was vivid, yet memorable. In the corner of the house, or if not, I think I was beside a sofa. I was having a poop in my diapers. Then suddenly visitors came, which made me hide. The thing that I remembered the most was when you gave me water in a wine glass. Perhaps I was constipated that time, kaya binigyan mo ko ng tubig. And it was a cute and random memory that I cherish till this day. Ayan, nakukwento ko rin kay Hana. Now that I am a full-grown man, I am proud to say that I am still your baby boy. I still long to kiss and hug you and to have happy moments with you. And I believe that the right moment shall come. I am blessed to have such a wonderful mother. You are very inspirational. Despite the distance, I fail to see your shortcoming. And despite the distance, you were never absent. And despite the distance, I never felt less loved by you. You are a warrior, a very, very remarkable woman. You overcome adversities. You take on life's challenges like a champion. And you carry and inspire those who are around you. As a mother, you never failed to do your part. You did not let distance hinder you from fulfilling your role in my life. And for that, I am forever grateful, Ma. To those who are with her in this special day, maraming salamat po. Thank you for providing assistance and helping hand when I was not able to. And words cannot describe how grateful I am na si mama ko ay napapalibutan ng wonderful people. Yan, kapag nagchat-chat kami niyan, lagi niyang sinesend yung mga activities, mga pictures nyo, yan, ano yung mga na-accomplish niya. And masaya ako para sa mother ko, and masaya ako na andyan po kayo na siyang nagiging support kay mama ko. Maraming salamat po sa pag-provide ng helping hand kay mama. At maraming salamat sa pagtulong niyo sa kanya kapag nangangailangan siya ng tulong. And Mama Annie, always remember, Ma, even when you feel like you have a lot of shortcomings as a parent, I never felt like you do. All I see is a woman who is ready to give it all and sacrifice everything for her family. I do aspire to become like you one day when the time comes that I too shall have my own child. Thank you so much, Ma, for the life that you've given me. I wish to be with you right now, but I know God will bless us with the right time to be with each other. I love you ma, happy 60th birthday. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng dumalo and nag-organize ng event para sa birthday ni mama. Mag-enjoy po kayong lahat and see you soon. Thank you po. I love you ma, happy birthday.
'Cause you know